Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the simplest but crucial items. Make sure you're signed into the correct OneDrive account and that the OneDrive app is updated. Once done, verify there's enough cloud and local storage and that your network is stable. Unstable Wi-Fi often causes pending sync. If credentials changed, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication. Do these now so the following steps operate on a clean, known state and avoid chasing transient errors. Next, pause OneDrive syncing and inspect the pending files. You want the exact file names and locations. You'll often find invalid characters, excessively long paths, or duplicate conflict copies. Resolve by renaming, shortening folder structures, or moving files out of the sync folder, then resume. If a particular folder stalls, unlink only that folder and set it to resync, or temporarily move the local copy out and reintroduce it. These targeted fixes clear the common middle stage blockers. Finish by restarting OneDrive and then your PC to ensure all changes apply. Many pending states resolve after a reboot. If files still show pending, run the OneDrive repair or reset routine. This rebuilds the sync database without harming your cloud files. Make sure you have a backup before unlinking the account. If everything else fails, unlink and relink OneDrive to force a clean sync. Tip: if errors persist, check Windows, Event Viewer, or OneDrive logs for specific error codes you can search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.